Balita sa tanghali. Mga napapanahong balita sa loob at labas ng bansa. Balita sa tanghali. Pangungunahan ng inyong tagapaghatid balita, Miguel Hill. Miguel Hill, ang inyong tagapagbalita, Miguel Hill. Balita sa tanghali, 30 minuto na hitik sa mga napapanahong impormasyon. Pakinggan tuwing alas 12 ng tanghali, Lunes hanggang Biyernes. Dito lamang sa himpilan ng Serbisyo Publiko, DWPL 1242. Hatid sa inyo ng A-Drive Media Broadcasting. Ang himpilan ng Serbisyo Publiko, DWPL 1242, A-Drive Media Broadcasting. Narito na ang reyna ng mga Galorians, Rodel Fernando. Si Rodel Fernando at ang Diyosa, Belita Peralta Uy. Belita Peralta Uy. Dito sa Showbiz Galo.
Business I know. Everything inside just starts to shake on. When your picture in the news appears. And the village morning when you wake.
Yes, we're back. Miss A. Miss A, we're back.
Yes, Rodel, excited na ako.
Excited na tayo. Mukhang dudugo ang ilong ko dito. Okay. Ipakilala na natin ang ating mga special guest. Kilala po ang singer, entertainer, at syempre tinatawag na superstar. Mga kaibigan, isa pong malaking karangalan ang makasama po natin ngayong hapon ito sa Showbiz Galore at DWBL, si Mr. Jimmy D. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Rodel. Good afternoon, Philippines.
Welcome sa Showbiz Galore.
Oh, it's a pleasure to be here, sir.
And of course, may kasama din niya ang kanyang talent, di ba, Miss A? Oo. Na ngayon kasi, alam mo naman si Mr. Jimmy, sa dami ng kanyang, mamaya malalaman natin lahat yan at aalimin natin sa kanya. At ngayon meron siyang talent na kasama na pinapasikat niya, mga kaibigan. Paano kaya bibigkasin to? Minsan nagkakamali ako eh. Kasama natin ang talented na babaeng ito, si Miss Honey. Or Hahani. Oo. Ano ba ang tama?
Haani po.
Haani. Ayun.
Para kang kapampangan. Aani, pagka kapampangan ka, haani.
Hahani.
Kasi na letter A, haani.
Kumusta ka na, Hani? Welcome
Okay
sa
naman
Hahani.
po. Haani.
Haani.
Haani na lang po.
Oo, Hani na lang.
Just for today, this afternoon, nahihirapan ka, honey na lang
Yes,
ipapit natin.
honey.
Dahil napaka-sweet ng mukha niya, kaya she very, time din na tawagin natin siyang honey.
Yes, honey.
Mukha siyang, pleasant as a honeybee.
Welcome to Showbiz Galore, Hani.
Salamat po.
Honey. Si Hani. Hani, kasi kahapon nasa press con ako, napanood kitang kumanta. At napansin ko, kayang-kaya mong kumanta ng iba't ibang genre. Oo. Ano ito? Paano mo natutunan ito?
Actually po kasi, since bata pa lang po ako, sinasali na po ako ng parents ko sa mga contest. Kahit pa lang po. Pero hindi naman po kami nag-expect na manalo agad.
Oo.
Kumbaga para lang po ma-enhance yung talent ko and yung confidence ko sa harap po ng maraming tao. Tapos ayun po, habang lumalaki po ako napapansin po namin na I can do iba-ibang genres po. Katulad ng I can do condiments din po, pop, R&B, OPM, ballad, yun po, and even Broadway songs.
So, ang naka-impluensya talaga sa'yo is your parents,
Yes,
di ba? Oo. Tapos, nung medyo lumaki-laki ka na, di ba, I heard na
10 years old po, doon medyo na-build up na po kasi ako ng mga panahon na yun.
Oo, tapos, nag-perform ka sa mga bar, tama ba? O
Ay,
hindi
yung
naman?
panahon po na yun, mga nag-guest lang po ay, na-i-invite lang po ako sa mga parties, weddings, ganun po, meeting.
Oo, tapos, paano ka nakilala mo ngayon ni Sir Jimmy D?
Yeah,
Ayan.
ayan. Sa totoo po kasi isa po akong amateurista. So, yung informations po is papasa-pasa lang. Talagang nakakarating po sa akin lahat ng informations kapag may audition dito, may audition doon. So, ayun po, nalaman ko po na meron pong galing Guam na nagpapa-audition. So, tinay ko na po yung opportunity na yun kasi chance ko na po.
At alam mo ba na na yung nung nag-audition ka at nakilala mo siya, at superstar siya.
Hindi pa po.
Ay, hindi mo alam.
Hindi ko po alam.
So, if I may bat in, no? Hindi mo alam na superstar siya sa Las Vegas.
Hindi po. Wala pong information na gano'n. Ang alam ko lang po is mag-audition.
So maraming nag-audition. Okay. With due respect to Mr. Jimmy D,
Yes.
he doesn't understand Tagalog, so we have to talk in English if we have to ask questions, okay? Pasensya na po. Yeah. We'd like to take this opportunity to ask him to greet the listeners, Mr. Jimmy D.
Yes, it's really a wonderful, honored pleasure to be here, Rodell, in your show.
And
To
Miss
Arlene, Miss Arlene, I guess, Miss A, you call her?
Yes,
Miss
yes.
A,
Right,
Miss
right.
Arlene, thank you
Yes.
both for making this day possible. And I'd like to say, magandang apon, right?
Magandang
apon and mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
To everybody out there listening to the Rodell Show. Thank you. It's really an honor and a pleasure to be here today.
Actually, the honor is ours.
Yes.
We have a superstar here.
in our show.
Right.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you very much.
Sir, are you still singing?
Yes, I am, definitely. And, I don't do it. I have a dinner show in Guam. And every now and then I get on as a special guest because we do the show for the tourists. So, the tourists from Japan, Korea, and the world. They come visit Guam, and my place is a very popular, famous beach resort.
Wow.
Beach resort. So they come there, and I make appearances. But for the most part these days, I appear special concert shows in Las Vegas and in Japan and Korea, and we're trying to set up one here in the Philippines.
Right. Okay.
So-
So that's why we're so honored to have you here tonight. And this afternoon, I'm
This
sorry,
afternoon.
this afternoon.
Well, it's
Because,
almost tonight.
yeah, but then the show will be ending by 6 o'clock. So
Okay.
it would be
All right.
the Saturday evening. Okay.
So thank you very much to all the listeners out there. It's really an honor and a pleasure to be here again visiting beautiful Philippines.
Wow.
And now you're into managing talents.
I do that as a passion. I do it as a love.
It's more of something like you want to help.
Yes,
To
I-
share your blessings,
yes.
just the same.
I'm also a humanitarian philanthropist, and I help crippled children, handicapped children, and I help a lot of countries, the poor, the sick, the elderly, those that cannot help themselves. That's one of my passion, and in so doing, sometimes it's quite stressing. So I come to Philippines, and I told Arlene earlier for R&R, rest and relaxation, distress, and just enjoy the beautiful country here. And I'm also part Pinoy, so I'm visiting my third, fourth home because I have a home in Las Vegas, I have a home in LA, and in Guam, of course, and here. So,
And I heard your mother is from Pampanga.
yes.
Pampanga, may kabalen.
Your kabayan. So I think it is just but fitting to have him today because it's araw ng kagitingan and because you're helping aspiring talents. That's an act of heroism, just the same. For me, you don't have to fight in a war to become a hero. So it's just, and you're helping also underprivileged kids and
Yes.
those who are sick. So that for me is an act of heroism. Ito yung buhay ng mga bayani.
Oo,
Diba?
oo. Connect na connect.
Connect na connect sa araw ng kagitingan. Yes.
It's really an honor because I do this, let me use the word, I've been blessed by the Lord.
And you're sharing your blessings
and
as
I'm
well.
sharing the blessings. And one of the ways is to get involved in what I call my love and passion of music, entertainment world, and showbiz.
Yeah.
And this is where I'm at right now, at the stage. And every now and then when I miss the stage myself, I perform and do a concert with my worldwide fans. All I got to do is just let my assistants and my people know. And with the texting, messaging, and Facebook.
And the next thing you know, they're lining up.
They're all lining
to see
up
the concert,
to see
right?
the concert.
And later will perform.
Yeah, and Honey will be performing as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
O, Honey, ano yung mga plano pa sa'yo ni Sir Jimmy?
Ayan.
Bukod sa, di ba, pinag-produce ka na niya ng album, ano pa mga plano niya sa'yo?
Yung plan niya po sa akin is hindi lang po kasi dito sa Philippines.
Mm-mm.
So, plan niya po is magkaroon din po ako ng concert show sa iba't ibang
International.
bansa. Yes,
Mm-mm.
international po. So, napakalaking plano po yun and challenge po sa akin. Siyempre, hindi naman po lahat ng tao ay nabibigyan ng chance na ganun po. So, it's a big challenge po and as well as a big blessing po for me.
Yeah. You are so lucky
Yes.
to be handpicked by Mr. Jimmy D.
Yes!
Oo, sobra.
Yeah, if we may ask Mr. Jimmy D, I'm sure it's not only Honey who went to you and or auditioned, right? What did you see in her that made you decide to choose her among the rest?
Yes, sir. That's
Yeah.
a good question. But first of all, I was visited by, at that time, if I may be really truthful here,
Yes, of course.
her mom and dad came and she was dressed. I think she went to another function earlier.
Okay.
She was dressed as a Disneyland princess. I thought that was very cute.
Yes.
I was looking, because, we love Disneyland, my
Right.
whole family. So we go to Disneyland a lot. Around the world, several of
Was
them.
she dressed in Cinderella
Yeah,
or
she
what?
was,
Snow White?
I don't know. She dressed like I don't know, what was that?
A princess?
Yeah, a princess.
Cocktail dress lang po na.
But then again,
Ganon.
She's looking like a little Disneyland princess.
Okay.
So she says, "Can we see you? We hear you're a producer, promoter." And I says, "Well, come on in." To make a story short, she sang a cappella for me, and I was impressed with her voice at the time. For a young girl. And I was hoping for somebody like at least 18 or 20,
Yes.
18, 19, 20. But what happened was that I listened to her and I was impressed. But then where I became even more impressed was about a couple of weeks later, she invited me to watch her, I think it was a talent contest
Okay.
at Polari.
Polari Bar.
Yeah, Polari Bar, Point, whatever it is. So what happened was that I was really impressed and mesmerized with her stage presence.
Wow.
Stage personality. She was, like a pro, not like a young
A
little talent.
novice or
She looks like she's really been through a lot of experience. So I was really quite impressed, and then I was even more impressed when she performed against, 20 or 25 top talents. I mean,
Wow.
they're all great singers, good first-class singers, but she came out ahead and won the first prize.
Wow, congratulations.
Won the first
Ang
prize.
galing naman.
Wow, galing.
So I was impressed, and I says, well, I think this girl's got a future. And then we started building little by little. We started recording. I started getting my team together, my writers, music directors, etc., etc.
Sir, how is she as a talent?
Of course, I'm biased. In English, we say prejudiced.
Right.
But I like to think she's probably one of the better ones to come out of the Philippines.
Wow. Coming from Mr. Jimmy.
Narinig mo yan, honey.
She's so flattered.
And be honest, I have heard some of your greatest ones, like from Regine Velasquez, Sarah, and then I've also heard Lonnie Misalucha,
Yes.
and some of the better singers. I mean, you have Sharon and all these famous singers.
Nora.
Nora. Oh, yes.
Sure.
Let me try. I remember Nora when I was much younger.
Yeah.
And, I was admiring her very. So, from Pilita Corrales
Right.
to all the superstars and all the stars in between, I've heard them all. And I was coming earlier because one of my favorites was Jude Polistico. I hope he's listening out there.
Oh.
I was listening to Jude Polistico, and I was very impressed that he can sing Johnny Mathis, he can sing Frank Sinatra, all these impressions, And I says, boy, I wish I had a voice like that.
Well, that's a good
How
boy.
humble of you to say that. How
So
humble
I
of
said, I
you.
wish I had a voice like that. But anyway, all these things I've been coming and enjoying, relaxing. And I'll be honest with you, I enjoy so many places like Tagaytay. I enjoy, going down and to Cebu, Iloilo, and all these Boracay. and
Palawan.
enjoy-
A good
Palawan,
boy.
Palawan,
Drive a good
yes.
boy.
Yes, I want to see everything.
With us.
Rodel.
Yes, right.
Rodel,
We'll take you there. We'll
I
take you
think that
there.
I've seen more of the Philippines than you.
Well, I'd like to believe so.
Yeah. I've been all over, and then I went to Villa Escudero.
Oh, yeah.
I went to many beautiful resorts, and so I was very impressed, Pak Sanhan. And make story short, really, I've enjoyed it so much, so I keep coming back, and I keep coming back, and I'm enjoying it more and more. So that's the story of my life in terms of visiting and enjoying beautiful Philippines.
Okay. Ang ating oras, Miss A, ganap ng 5:31 ng hapon.
Ang oras na ito ay hatid sa inyo ng PG Flex Linoleum. Gawa sa tamang quality at galing ng Pinoy. PG Flex, proud to be Pinoy.
At magbabalik po ang Showbiz Galore.
Balita sa tanghali. Mga napapanahong balita sa loob at labas ng bansa. Balita sa tanghali. Pangungunahan ng inyong tagapaghatid balita, Miguel Hill. Miguel Hill. Ang inyong tagapagbalita, Miguel Hill. Balita sa tanghali. 30 minuto na hitik sa mga napapanahong impormasyon. Pakinggan tuwing alas 12 ng tanghali. Lunes hanggang Biyernes. Dito lamang sa himpilan ng serbisyo publiko. DWPL 1242. Hatid sa inyo ng 8 Tribe Media Broadcasting. Sa pag-usad at pagbabago ng panahon, may kakibat na pag-usbong ng korupsyon. Kailangan ng bayan ang katapat at patas na katarungan upang makamit ang totoong pag-unlad. Narito ang inyong makabagong alagad sa public service. Ang inyong kasangga, Mayor Fred Lim. Kasangga, Mayor Fred Lim. Kasama ng inyong karancho, Miguel Hill. Ang inyong karancho, si Miguel Hill. Inyong makakasama tuwing Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 9 hanggang alas 10:30 ng umaga sa programang KKK. Kasangga sa katarungan, kaunlaran. Dito lamang sa himpilan ng serbisyo publiko, DWPL 1242. Hatid sa inyo ng 8 Tribe Media Broadcasting. Ang himpilan ng serbisyo publiko, DWPL 1242. 8 Tribe Media Broadcasting.
Yes, kayo po ay nakikinig sa himpilang DWBL 1242. Member po kami ng KBP.
Narito na ang reyna ng mga Galorians, Rodel Fernando. Si Rodel Fernando at ang Diyosa, Pelita Peralta Uy. Pelita Peralta Uy. Dito sa Showbiz Galore.
Ladies and gentlemen, the heart-stopping, knife-throwing team of Keeler and Kate.
Yes, Miss A, nagbabalik ang ating palatuntunan Showbiz Galore. Oo, at sa bahaging ito ay maririnig na natin ang kanilang mga boses. Boses?
So, sobrang excited
Oo,
ako.
hahandugan tayo ng kanilang mga awitin. At bago yan, nais ko munang, at syempre yung mga ating mga texters, nais kong batiin si Charlie Loso, ang kaibigan Charlie Loso, nakikinig siya ngayon. At gusto ko lang ibalita na yung may album si Manny Pacquiao. Oo. At nakakaloka itong kaibigan nating si Charlie, ha. Alam mo ba, si Manny Pacquiao, inutusan pa niya si Lito Camo na i-promote ang kanyang album. Oo. sa pamagitan ng kaibigan Charlie
So, di
Loso.
dapat i-guest din si Lito dito.
Yes, at saka syempre si Manny Pacquiao, di ba? Sana
Balik
Charlie.
niya.
Oo, may guest natin dito ang pambansang kamao. Ayan. At binabati ko rin si Ate Lita, ay si Tita Lita Hernando ng Utah, USA. Nakikinig sila ngayon at sabi niya nagpapasalamat si Junel Hernando. Kilala mo si Junel, yung nasa Magic Temple. Nagpapasalamat siya sa kapuso mo, Jessica Soho, for featuring a throwback for Magic Temple last Sunday. Ayan. At pinasasalamatan ni Junel ang kanyang mga fans. Ayan po. At ito pa, magandang hapon, beautiful Rodel and pretty Miss A. Wow! Hello na rin sa lalo pang gumagandang si Ma'am Pilita. Wala siya ngayon, nasa Taiwan ang partner ko. Oo. Hanggang bukas wala siya. Kaya sa Lunes pa natin siya makakasama. Pero gaganti ako sa kanya. Iiwanan ko rin siya sa mga susunod na araw. Nakikinig po kami ng mga kasama ko sa work. Pauwi na rin po, merienda po tayo ng lugaw, may itlog at durog na bawang with turon na saging. Ayun, sarap naman.
Paborito ko turon sa banana cue.
Oo, Diyos ko. Share ko na rin makinig sa mga neighbor ko. Thanks, New Galorians. Marvin Kapili ng Tondo, Metro Manila.
Ayan.
Marvin, Diyos ko, alam mo ito. Bawat hapon sinasabi niya yung merienda niya. Kaya, Marvin, magpadala ka na
dito. At para mabigyan ka rin ng t-shirt ng Showbiz Galore.
Yes, actually nanalo siya.
Nanalo ka pala. Siya pala bibigyan ko.
Yes, okay. And good PM, Kuya Del. Pag-greet naman daw sina Ate Duna, Tolentino, Ate Lisa, Ninang Josie, at nanay ko, si Indang Ploy ng Balukok, Apalit, Pampanga, from Lani Panahon. Yung pong mga ibang text, mamaya na po. At eto na. Oo, eto na. Sa mga gusto pong marinig ang kanilang mga awitin, dito po, live po sa Showbiz Galore, ang superstar, of course, Mr. Jimmy D. At ang susunod na superstar, si Hani.
Haani?
Oo. Ikaw, Haani. Ako, Hani. Oo.
Okay.
Narito po sila sa awiting Sometimes When We Touch.
You ask me if I love you, and I choke on my reply. I'd rather have you honestly than mislead you with a lie.
Who am I to judge you?
try. I've watched while love commands you, and I've watched love pass you by.
Times I think what we've done, searching for a friend, a brother all this time, in the kind of
Yes, again. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty submerge, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. Wow! Ang galing
Ang
naman.
galing. They really did it with passion. The way they sang it, the listeners, if you could have seen them perform, they really sang it with so much passion.
Yes,
Wow.
thank you, Arnie.
I am so honored to be right here with you guys, and actually, it's hair raising. You did. Kinikilabutan kami dito. Napaka-passionate ho the way they did it. Sana nakikita nyo kung paano sila kumanta.
Oo, at may nag-comment nga dito mula sa Utah, USA. Hats off to your guest. Beautiful music. Oh.
Thank you very much.
From
So-
Talita Hernando.
Dapat magkaroon na kayo ng concert.
Wow. Soon po yan.
Yes.
Abangan po natin.
So I'm sure a lot of people will be awaiting a concert like this. I mean, like the two of you together. I know Mr. Jimmy D is actually helping you, achieve your goals in life to become a singer. And I'm sure you really have great talent, and naniniwala ako na sisikat ka ng todo.
Salamat.
Ang galing mo.
Oo. So nagagaling ang boses na yun, honey.
Sa balon.
Saan
Galing sa
nagagaling?
balon.
Ang galing talaga. So, honey, itong album mo, anong title ng album mo?
Love Haani po.
Mm-mm. So ito, na-release na sa
Sa Guam.
Guam at saka sa Hawaii. Dito sa Pilipinas,
Hindi pa po.
kailan i-release? Why, sir?
Why? Well, for one thing, we started in Guam because it's my home. You know?
Yes.
And everybody's wondering, when are we going to hear Haani? When are we going to hear her? So I says, well, I'll tell you what, I just finished some songs, recording her, and maybe we can give you some of these things just for you to airplay. And they did. They played a couple of the cuts that from the album. And to make a long story short,
She is famous now in
yeah,
Hawaii.
she's very famous and popular.
Yes, she's very popular in Hawaii right now.
And Guam, and at the same time, what really happened is that people love her songs, so now they keep asking me, when are we gonna really get to see her perform in a concert show? So I says, well, my job next is to finish up the album, and then to launch in the Philippines, and then to do a concert show in the Philippines.
Where is
And,
that, sir?
we're thinking of 3 venues right now.
So it's in
We're thinking of Resort World. We're thinking of
Soler,
Soler,
City of Dreams,
City of Dreams, and or
Mall of Asia.
SM Mall of Asia.
Yeah.
And we plan to ask my friends such as Regine Velasquez
And
and
other
maybe
famous
others,
singers.
other famous singers, and even my friend Gary V.
Wow.
And some of the other big stars. And like I say, there's so many. So right off the top, I plan to have a couple of guests to, use if you want to use the word drawing power, and have a song or 2, 3 songs for each one. And then we can all join together.
For her
and
to
sing.
showcase also her
Yes,
talent
yes.
and different genres that she could
right.
do.
That's right.
Yeah. Incidentally, meron siyang, she has an original song by Benny Saturno, right?
Yeah.
Oo, ito yung
Yeah.
kantang Paano Ako. Ayun, Paano
Yan.
Ako. And speaking of that song, ito kakantahin niya ng live sa
Kakantahin
atin.
niya Ang gumawa po ng kanta ay si Venus sa
Venus sa turno lang naman po.
Wala akong masabi.
Oo. Okay? Pakinggan natin si Hani sa awiting Paano Ako.
Ayan, para sa inyo pong lahat to, sana po magustuhan nyo.
Bakit di ko maintindihan ang damdamin mo gayon? Ikaw palagi ang minamahal ng labis. Ito ay abot langit. Nagagawa mo bang ako'y tumangin? Ibinigay ko ang lahat-lahat. Wala nang natira kundi hapdi sa puso nang iniwan mo ako. Sayabang di na magbabago. Pag-inip ay matututunan ko. Paano ako nagmamahal sa'yo na di kayang limutin ang isang katulad mo? Labis na inibig.
Galing! Hanip naman ang boses na yan.
Nakakaloka. Sobra. Live po yan, ha? Hindi po yan plaka. Live. Yan, live.
At wala pong mga instrumento dito,
Wala.
ha?
My God. Talagang magiging sikat ka. Ang galing ng voice mo.
Oo. Sobra talaga. At dito nga may nag-text sa, wow, what's amazing voice, Sir Jimmy.
Yes.
And especially to Miss Honey, ipag-pray ko na pagpalain ng inyong singing career. More blessings, projects, shows to come, magsa-shine ka na at matutupad na dreams mo as a star. Wow! God bless Galerians. Dadala po ako dyan ng palabok at bisita ako dyan.
Parang
sa program ninyo. Si Marvin Kapili. Sige, Marvin, dalawa. Oo. At musin sa ating pagbabalik, syempre kung nag-solo. Si Honey, pwede na naman mag-solo ang ating superstar, Gino D. Yan ang sa pagbabalik ng Showbiz Galore.
Pag-ibig, musika, at iba pa.
Madalas kita
Mga usapin sa pag-ibig na umaayon sa iba't ibang kwento ng ating musika.
makahawak ang mga kamay.
Samahan ang mga batikang mag-aawit ng ating bansa. Lloyd Umali at Ima Castro.
Dapat na kaya sa'yo ako'y humana.
Sa programang Pag-ibig, musika, at iba pa.
Mayroon na kita.
Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alauna hanggang alas 2 ng hapon. Dito lamang sa himpilan ng Serbisyo Publiko, DWBL 1242, hatid sa inyo ng A-Tribe Media Broadcasting. Balita sa tanghali, mga napapanahong balita sa loob at labas ng bansa. Balita sa tanghali, pangungunahan ng inyong tagapaghatid balita, Miguel Hill. Miguel Hill, ang inyong tagapagbalita, Miguel Hill. Balita sa tanghali, 30 minuto na hitik sa mga napapanahong impormasyon. Pakinggan tuwing alas 12 ng tanghali, Lunes hanggang Biyernes. Dito lamang sa himpilan ng Serbisyo Publiko, DWBL 1242. Hatid sa inyo ng A-Tribe Media Broadcasting. Problema ba sa kalusugan? Paano ito maiiwasan? Alamin ang wastong paraan para ito'y malunasan. Makinig tuwing Lunes hanggang Biyernes sa programang Kalusugan ay Kayamanan. Alas 10:30 ng umaga hanggang alas 12 ng tanghali. Kasama ang makabatigang doktor sa bansa, respetado at kinikilala sa kani-kanilang larangan sa medisina. Kalusugan ay Kayamanan. Dito lamang sa himpilan ng Serbisyo Publiko, DWBL 1242. Hatid sa inyo ng A-Tribe Media Broadcasting. Narito na ang reyna ng mga Galorians, Rodel Fernando. Si Rodel Fernando at ang Diyosa, Belita Peralta Uy. Belita Peralta Uy. Dito sa Showbiz Galore.
Ayan, nagbabalik po tayo at alam ko, bitin kayo sa mga live songs na ginawa ng superstar Jimmy D at ni Honey. Kanina, kumanta sila ng duet and then nag-solo si Honey. Ngayon naman, magso-solo ang superstar na si Mr. Jimmy D. Itong song na to, ang title na to na original sa US, naging super hit ito, Heavenly. Sa tulong ni Benny Saturno,
Isinalin sa Tagalog.
Nag-translate sila ng Tagalog version nito, which is Langit Ka. Kakantahin ni Mr. Jimmy D ang Tagalog version na Langit Ka. Yes! We're so honored talaga na nandito siya. Kakantahin niya dito sa ating show. Yan. Okay, are you ready, Mr.
I'm ready.
Jimmy D? He's ready.
I'm
Okay. Okay.
Langit ka sa puso puso ko langit ka, ikaw at walang iba na aking sinta. Langit ka, langit ang ibigin ka, langit ang ibigin ka, ikaw lang sinta. Hanggang sa kailanman, ikaw, ikaw ang ibig. Walang iba kundi ikaw, ikaw para sa akin. Ikaw ang siyang buhay ko, ikaw lang sa puso ko. Hanggang may sikat ang araw, ako'y laging sa iyo. Hanggang may sikat ang araw, ako'y laging sa iyo. Heavenly, that's what you are to me. No one could ever be so dear in my heart.
Langit ka, iba ang iyong ganda. Langit ang ibigin ka, ikaw lang sinta.
Hanggang sa kailanman, ikaw, ikaw ang ibig. Walang iba kundi ikaw, ikaw para sa akin. Ikaw ang siyang buhay ko, ikaw lang sa puso ko. Hanggang may sikat ang araw, ako'y laging sa iyo. Hanggang may sikat ang araw, ako'y laging sa iyo. Hanggang may sikat ang araw, ako'y laging sa iyo. You're so heavenly beautiful. I love you. Mahal kita. Ay, ang ganda-ganda naman.
Tapos ang title niya, Langit Ka. Parang talagang hulog sila ng langit yung boses nila. You're like from heaven. Your voices.
You made our day today.
Yeah.
Thank
And
you.
thank you, Del, for inviting me. Sobrang natuwa ako ngayon. Talaga. Grabe.
Okay. At wala tayong oras.
Yes.
Sir Jimmy, for your parting words. Well, I just want to thank you again, Rodel, and all your fans,
Our
your listeners,
pleasure.
and your supporters and help out there. And I also want to thank, of course, Arlene for being with us and speaking to us, speaking with us. And I thank your assistant and everyone for being with us. And I thank our part for making all this happen. And I also want to thank my friend Charlie Lozo for making this happen with you guys. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And, honey, mag-promote ka na.
Ay, ano na po sa lahat, gusto ko po syempre magpasalamat kay Sir Jimmy and sa inyo po, Sir and Ma'am, and kala Ate Rose po and Sarah, and of course kay Tito Charlie po for making these things possible po ngayong araw na to. And maraming salamat po sa mga listeners dyan and sa mga sumusuporta po sa akin. And abangan nyo po yung album ko entitled Love Haani at saka po yung single career ko po na paano ako. Ayan, thank you po.
Okay, at bago ko magpaalam, hi to Charlie Loso from Tita Lita Hernando. At binabati ko rin si Jedrick Lopez, si Florin Silvestre, at saka si Baby James, nakikinig daw sila ngayon. And Miss A, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din, Rodel, for inviting me over.
Yes, thank you.
Sobra akong nag-enjoy.
Oo, sana sa uulitin.
Oo, at saka I'm sure it's not their first time to be guesting on your show.
Of course!
Merong second
Babalik
time.
sila.
Lalo na pagka na-out na yung kanyang record in the
Yes.
market.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Thank you. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga Galorians na tumutok sa araw na ito at hanggang bukas makakasama uli natin